Good evening. I'll be looking at cross-curriculum integration. And we say cross-curriculum integration involves connecting concepts and skills from different subject areas to create a more holistic and meaningful learning experience for students. Cross-curriculum integration is the practice of connecting a topic which is traditionally taught as a standalone subject to different subject areas. The benefits of cross-curriculum integration includes helping students to see the topic as interdependent and connected rather than individual isolated subjects. Secondly, empowering students to achieve higher level of critical thinking, also developing the collaboration skills, leading to deeper learning by shifting from surface learning and context coverage to in depth understanding. Four ways that cross curriculum units can be designed: parallel integration, infusion integration, multidisciplinary integrations, and transdisciplinary integration. Here's an example of, to demonstrate the understanding of cross curriculum integration. Imagine a project where students are studying the ancient civilization of Egypt. In a cross curriculum approach, students could, in history, learn about the pharaohs, pyramids, and daily life of people in ancient Egypt. In mathematics, you can calculate the dimensions and the angles of pyramids, explore the concept of symmetry in Egyptian art. In language, write story set in ancient Egypt. In science, study the Nile River and its importance to agriculture in Egypt, or explore the science behind mummification. And in art, you can learn the significance of symbols and colors in Egyptian art and create Egyptian inspired artwork. Well, now I've chosen a story, The Journey of a Water Drop. This story I'll be using to teach the concept of the water cycle in science for our grade 6 students. I have the students read the story, and I read the story for them. We discuss the story, and according to the story directly teaches the water cycle, including evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. So we go through the story, where children understand how evaporation takes place, how condensation takes place, how precipitation takes place, and the collection. After thorough discussion, we have pupils do an experiment, conduct an experiment in a science lab where we set the apparatus up and we have the necessary things need for them to happen. For example, for evaporation, we'll need heat. Condensation, we'll need something cool or ice. And we have the beakers and the tube and so on necessary for the experiment to be done. Put students in groups, small groups of 4, and we conduct an experiment in the groups of 4, where they'll be recording every stage of the experiment. The first stage where they have to heat the beaker, connect the tube to the beaker, and put ice around the tube, and then we lead the tube down into another beaker. So they observe the process of evaporation. You'll see the smoky substance heading through the tube, and then after passing through this place where it is cool, the tube where it is cool, and then it comes out, you see the water is being formed and comes out there. After this experiment is conducted, then we'll reflect on the story and use the story to see if the information is accurate. And according to cross curriculum, we could also maybe in next class of drama or art, we can have we turn a story into a play where pupils can act out the stages of the water cycle, or in art, they illustrate Joey's journey, helping them to visualize the water cycle. And here we can see, according to the benefits of it, is that if we have cross-curriculum integration, we find that the children have a lot more resources to understand one concept. So here we can have the drama, the art, and maybe other subjects where we can integrate, like we can integrate the geography at a higher level, the landscape, the mountains, the forests, and back into the sea, the oceans, and so on. So curriculum integration has its benefits, and with this story, it will help the children to have a more clear understanding, along with the experiment of the concept, the water cycle. Thank you.